In this video, I'm going to teach you how to cut a video from the middle section in Canva. So the first thing that you want to do is log into your Canva account, and once you do, you will either end on the home dashboard or the templates dashboard. Now, from wherever you are, navigate over to the left-hand column of menu options and click on projects. When you do this, Canva will present all of the projects that you're currently working on. And what you want to do is navigate over to the project that you would like to work in. And when you click on that project, Canva will open it up in Canva's video editor in a new window. So from here, let me just get this right. So from here, you want to click on your video in the timeline, and you want to find the point where you want to cut the video. So I'm gonna just say in the middle, which should be 7 seconds. So once you find the point where you want to cut your video, you can either hit S on your keyboard, or you can right click, and from your right click there'll be a bunch of options that appear. You want to click on split page and then find the next point. So let's say we want to cut out this 1 second. You can do the same thing. Click split page again. So now you will have the section that you would like to remove isolated after you've split the page on either end. So from here, you simply just want to right click the isolated section of the video again and click on delete page. So now it's completely gone, and you can just make sure that the video is smooth and it's been cut. If you don't think that the video looks smooth, come down to the timeline, hover between the two clips and click on the add transition icon. And when you do that, you'll be presented with a bunch of transitions on the left-hand side of your screen. So you can just click on a transition, and once you do that, you'll be presented with a duration configuration in seconds, and you can either use the slider to adjust the duration, or you can click into the value field and add a specific value. So once you've done that, you can play your video, and now it has a smooth transition, and we've removed that unwanted part of the video. So I hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and if there's anything that I may have missed during the video, or if there's any point where you found yourself struggling, or any questions you have at all, please feel free to leave the questions in the comment section of this video, and I will respond to them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.